Where are my tweezers? I just had my daggum tweezers. What did I do with them? Did I drop them? Did I knock them off? What did I do with them? Did I cover? I covered them up. Okay. We're going to help this out a little here. Bye. See, if I painted it, that wouldn't happen. Now, where's the dot for the eye? Oh, that's not the eye, that's the N. If this was a painted, this was a completely flat surface, this would be a lot easier. See, it's literally pulling my board off. I'm going to have to remember to de-stick this Cricut paper. And I'm going to have to go in and re-straighten all that out too. But let's see if we can get this without tearing the letter T. Not making it look horrible, because nobody wants to pay for something that's horrible looking. We almost got it, people. Look at that, and then it's stuck to that. Get off of there. Oh, no, 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 don't you dare. Yes, I talk to my projects. Come on, get off there. Thank you. What is that piece? Get off there. Okay, now, to make sure that everything is how it's supposed to be, we're gonna we don't want lines in there, so see, because the board has got all these little things, is what makes it just a tad bit tricky. And this is my first board like this that I'm doing. So, I gotta get it in there real good. And I will go over this and make sure I get all the little nooks and crannies so that stays on there. But that's our sign. See, it has this little thing to hang it up. When I get that all done, then I will ship it out tomorrow morning. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this sign. If you're interested in a sign for yourself, let me know. I will get you on the list of projects. If you liked this video, please subscribe, share, let your friends know. I have more coming. Like I said, I have other boards that I'm going to be making signs out of, like this one right here. And then I have the round one that I'm going to be doing. And then I have mason jar glasses that you can drink out of that I can engrave. I can etch them, which we'll be doing that project as soon as I have a way to video the sink where I'm rinsing it and all that good stuff. I'm thinking that would be a good outside project, because then I could just like rinse it with the hose and you guys can watch me. But I also am going to be learning how to do glitter glasses or other things. Okay, so there's my sign. Hope you enjoyed watching me do that. If you do crafts, I have a Facebook page. It's called Linda Toman Craft Along. It's where all my friends and subscribers that do crafts can share their projects with me, so I can see if you have a... I'm a true believer. If you subscribe to me and you have a channel, I'll subscribe to you. So let's help each other out. Share the love, y'all. Be the love. Have a great day.